Alright, so we're changing the spark plugs. Whoa. And that one's one of them. Oh, you can't really see.
It's a different size.
Uh-oh.
They're all different sizes.
So that's one of the spark plugs we pulled today.
Getting ready to 13, 16 spark plugs?
Pull the rest of them, and apparently they're different sizes.
Yeah, it's just... See, that one's not terrible. What's that one? Champion? No, that's Bosch. This is Champion, so they're already mismatched. This ain't even the right size. I guess I should start up there and do the cap first instead of this. Oh, no.
That one different size too?
The last three are the same size as the one I just took out. the oil. It smells like gas. That's all I smell.
Yeah.
Gas. Okay, now I gotta get to the filter. Move that over there.
Knock on it, mommy will get it.
Pretty not. I mean, except for the holes. It's pretty not. It's pretty clean.
It's pretty solid.
Looks like they over greased the U-joints because this stuff went everywhere. Like it's a big ring around the bottom of the thing. What do you see? That was on this side. Nope, it's on the other side. Jeez.
Cold. Papa!
Papa's left.
I can see your feet.
That's not my feet.
Papa! Papa, let me go on the other side then.
Ha ha! I see you. What is a frame on there? Huh. Looky there. Oh, we didn't get transmission fluid and a filter.
Oh, I know.
Fluid.
There was a whole bunch of stuff I missed.
I'm sorry, Papa.
It's okay. I can only see out of one eye now, but I'm okay.
Do you see one eye?
I only have one eye now
Oh, why?
because you hit me with a rock.
You just got one eye now?
I'm gonna have four eyes soon.
Put the lock in here. For
Okay.
some decoration. I'm sorry, Papa.
It's okay.
Papa just got one eye.
I know.
Wait, that's a ladybug. No, that's not a ladybug. Oh, Papa, it just got one eye.
Yes.
Sorry, Papa.
It's
You
okay.
like my dress though?
What?
You like my dress?
I love your dress.
You need your eye bits?
It's not screwed on there.
What? I find one screw.
You did find a screw. Can I have it?
This is for Papa.
Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Papa, I got you a screw.
Hey, thanks. You can have it. Hold on to it for me.
Papa, you have a screw.
I don't know if it's like too wide. Like, I don't get it. Am I going the right way? No. Oh my god. It's time for you to go to bed. Going the
I got
wrong way.
wax in here.
We twisted it the wrong way.
I was upside down, Kyle. My directions were all messed up.
What? Down.
I found some more rust.
Gum.
Right here in the rocker.
Gum.
We'll fix it later.
Did it fill up both of those containers under there? Or no?
I don't think it will.
No, when you drained it.
No, I got like half on one and then put the rest because I was like, yeah. That way I can pour it out into a container. Oil, filter, cap rotor, wires, plugs. I think that's it. That's all we have.
You already put power steering fluid in there? Or-
Oh, yeah, I did, but I gotta put the fuel filter. That's what I forgot.
I mean, he called it.
Wait. These don't work. I'm gonna have to get a screw one.
New wires, new rotor, new plugs, new fuel filter, and although you cannot see it from here, there is a new oil filter and brand new oil, new gas.
Is there any gas in that filter yet?
Mm-hmm.
Is there?
Yep.
Okay. Hey, give me a little squirts. Please. Give me some squirts. That's good. I want to know why it's not working off the pump.
Is that too much for it?
No, it should be full.
Even when you're giving it gas, it's only halfway. Good Tito. Try that. Good.
That's definitely it. That's my car.
You missed.
Oh man.
Brakes work. Cut it hard to get out. So I come up this way.
That should be full at all times, no matter what.
When you pulled it up, it drained right back down the hatch.
It was going good too. There we go. No, she's in the way of that. Perfect. 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 Huh.
So tie it over this way.
Well, let's try this. Maybe it's the mixtures. I don't want to mess with none of this stuff, though. You know, as I turn it. I don't want to do it.
But let's just go ahead and do it anyway.
I want the distributor's loose. Are these still on? Oh, thermostat's working.
That's good.
They didn't tell me in that side though. Well, it's on there. Oh. Gotta be a vacuum leak somewhere.
Did you close choke again, or did it
I
close?
hooked it back up.
Oh.
I want to see. This opens it too, though. That's closed all the way.
Not right now.
What's this one? Choke. There it is. There's the choke. If the power steering's getting better.
Is it?
Oh, it needs more.
I was gonna say it sounds awful.
I know, but it's getting quieter.
Okay.
I feel like it's getting a little quieter. It needs more.
It needs all drained out.
Well, the cap's broke, so we can't really tell how much is in there
Oh,
because it's missing a little bit.
I'll hit the dipstick on it.
It's probably inside there. Alright, I'm gonna try to start it, I guess. See what happens. nothing. I can't tell what nothing's. I don't have a timing light, so I can't time it. Sounds good. Like there's nowhere lifting on. There's no knocking. It's not missing. It's just in a gas. Wow.